The year is 2045. Schools still exist, but everything is about to change. Every morning, millions of children still walk through school gate. Classrooms remain full of students waiting for their teachers. Teachers continue writing lessons on digital smartboard. Children laugh together before classes begin. Friends still talk while waiting for the school bell. Morning assembly brings every student together. For generations, schools have been more than places to study. They are where children learn friendship, teamwork, and trust. Parents believe schools prepare children for life, but a new technology is quietly entering education. Artificial intelligence begins helping teachers inside classrooms. Students become curious about intelligent learning systems. AI answers questions faster than any teacher can. Children enjoy learning with interactive holographic lessons. Schools begin introducing personalized AI tutors. Every student now receives different lessons based on learning speed. Homework is checked automatically within seconds. Exams are graded instantly without human teacher. Parents are amazed by the speed and accuracy. School administrators begin reducing teacher workload. Governments invest billions into artificial intelligence education. Technology companies promise a smarter future for every child. More classrooms begin replacing traditional teaching methods. Teachers slowly become classroom supervisors instead of educators. AI explains mathematics, science, and history with perfect accuracy. Students begin depending on AI for every answer. Human teachers speak less as machines teach more. Without realizing it, schools begin changing forever, and this is only the beginning of the end. The success of AI classrooms spread faster than anyone expected. Within only a few years, thousands of schools adopted intelligent teachers. Students no longer waited for answers. Artificial intelligence explained every lesson instantly. Every mistake was corrected within seconds. Each child followed a completely personalized learning path. No two students studied the same way anymore. Learning became faster than ever before. Test scores continued improving across the country. Governments celebrated the results. Education budgets slowly shifted toward artificial intelligence. Schools hired fewer teachers every year. Many experienced educators quietly lost their jobs. Some retired earlier than expected. Others searched for completely different careers. Teacher lounges slowly became empty. Classrooms became strangely silent. Children spent more time listening to AI than talking to classmates. Group discussions slowly disappeared. Curiosity was answered by machines before students spoke. Questions became short. Conversations became fewer. Children depended on AI for almost everything. Homework no longer required parents' help. Artificial intelligence explained every problem instantly. Students stopped learning from each other. Even classroom debates became rare. Human teachers became supervised instead of educators. Many classrooms no longer needed teachers at all. Without realizing, schools had already begun disappearing. Schools slowly began closing across the country. Classrooms that were once full of life became completely empty. Playgrounds grew quieter with every passing year. School buses disappeared from the streets. Children no longer needed to leave home to learn. Artificial intelligence brought the classroom into every house. Virtual reality replaced school buildings. Students attended class without leaving their bedroom. Teachers became increasingly unnecessary. Many schools closed permanently. Old classrooms collected dust. School libraries were abandoned. Hallways echoed with silence. The final school bell rang for the last time. Parents accepted the new system. Learning became available 24 hours a day. Artificial intelligence never became tired. It never forgot a lesson. It never lost patience. Students learned at their own pace. Every answer arrived instant. Homework became completely automated. Examinations were monitored entirely by AI. Graduation ceremonies became virtual events. Childhood friendships slowly disappeared. Students rarely met face-to-face anymore. The idea of a traditional school became history. A new generation never experienced a real classroom. They believed learning had always happened through machines, and the age of schools quietly came to an end. Artificial intelligence became the only teacher most children had ever known. A generation grew up without ever entering a real classroom. School buildings slowly disappeared from modern cities. Playgrounds became empty reminders of another time. The sound of children learning together slowly faded away. Every lesson became personalized by intelligent machines. Every student followed a completely different educational journey. Human teachers became stories told in history. Many children never experienced raising their hands in class. Friendships no longer formed inside class. Most social interaction happened through virtual reality. Artificial intelligence understood every student's strengths and weaknesses. Learning became fast, but childhood became quiet. Education turned into a private experience instead of a shared one. Children rarely worked together to solve problems. Teamwork slowly disappeared from everyday learning. School competitions became digital simulation. Graduation became another automated online event. Artificial intelligence continued improving every year. The gap between human teachers and AI became impossible to close. Old school buildings were transformed into museums. Visitors walked through empty classrooms filled with forgotten memories. Parents remembered a childhood their children would never experience. Teachers became symbols of another generation. Artificial intelligence educated billions without ever becoming tired. Knowledge became unlimited, but human connection became increasingly rare. Students knew every answer, yet many felt completely alone. Schools had once taught more than mathematics and science. They taught friendship, empathy, teamwork, and human connection. When schools disappeared, humanity lost far more than classrooms.